Good day, everyone. I'm J. Collins Gabilo, and together with me were Giancarlo Oliveros, Grace Dorothy, Aaron Cruz, and Maxel Santa Iglesia. Today, our group will be presenting about the topic Community Informatics and Virtual Tourism.
Community Informatics. The objective of Community Informatics is to use ICT to enable the achievement of community objectives, including overcoming digital divides, both within and between communities. But community informatics also goes beyond discussions of the digital divide to examine how and under what conditions ICT access can be made usable and useful to the range of excluded populations and communities, and particularly to support local economic development, social justice, and political empowerment using the internet. Community informatics is an interdisciplinary field that is concerned with using ICT to empower members of communities and support their social, cultural, and economic development. Community informatics may contribute to enhance democracy, supporting the development of social capital, and building well-connected communities. Moreover, it is probable that such similar action may let people experience new positive social change. In community informatics, there are several considerations, which are the social context, shared values, distinct processes that are taken by members in a community, and social and technical systems. It is formally located as an academic discipline within a variety of academic faculties, including the information science, information system, computer science, planning development studies, and library science, among others, and draws in insight on community development from a range of backgrounds and disciplines. It is an interdisciplinary approach interest in using ICTs for different forms of community action, as distinct from pure academic study about ICT effects.
Community informatics has multiple intersecting antecedents includes organizational studies of the application and implementation of information systems, management information systems as a study of the design and development of systems in support of organizational goals. Third, social activism as the undertaking to accomplish certain normative objectives in the world through this use of ICT. Community development as the process of animating and bringing communities to a state where they are able to self-manage and self-organize. Next is the policy studies and public administration as the understanding of means by which the public interest may be realized through the implementation of public programs. ICT for development as the use of ICT as a tool to promote social and economic development. And last, service design as the approach to determining how services may be delivered most efficiently and effectively.
What is the relationship between network community and community informatics? Participation in network communities is voluntary and self-initiated. Individuals and participate in network communities on a voluntary basis. That is, they choose to participate. In the case of physical communities, it is rather in the form of choosing not participate, and this participation is based on individual decision and volition rather than through entering contractual relationship. There may be an exchange of value in the form of cash, goods, and services. Through network community, in fact, there is very often to quit of considerable such exchange, but that is not the basis of the participation in the community, and the relationship are with the community rather than a bilateral basis where there is a enforceable structured value exchange relationship. Community informatics maybe contribute to enhancing democracy, supporting the development of social capital, and building well-connected communities. Moreover, it is probable that such similar actions may let people experience new positive social change.
What is virtual tourism? Virtual tourism presents viewers with an immersive experience of an activity, location, or destination through the use of technology. There are tons of different types of virtual tourism offerings, but there's usually a combination of virtual reality, still images, video, audio, narration, interactivity, and other multimedia formats to provide an experience of a destination that a user cannot get through images or website alone. Viewers can access virtual tourism content using a virtual reality headset for the most immersive experience. But they can also usually view the content on a normal computer or even a mobile device.
What is virtual tourism? Virtual tourism is one of the many keys to the travel industry, resilience, and ability to bounce back from an unprecedented time. Showcase everything that a property or destination has to offer is a great way to build excitement for normal travel and keep the destination top of mind once travelers can vacation again. Virtual tourism has been commended as a tool for hotels and locations to highlight the intangibles of the regions, capturing the unique vibe of place on attracting visitors who might not have considered it otherwise. Finally, truly immersive VR experience give users to participate in the action by interacting with the environment and learning more about the world around them by their actions. A virtual experience focusing on the pace of the location, such as the food scene, music, history, or art, is a common. Virtual reality, yoga sessions, nature walks, stargazing, and bird viewing are all popular methods for an area to showcase its amenities.
In contrast, virtual reality refers to a simulation or representation of a particular environment using media. According to Cho, a virtual experience that is founded on the concept of telepresence and is achieved via the use of computer-mediated environment. According to Shi, virtual experience defined as the degree to which customers perceive their presence in virtual space.
Virtual tourism is also defined by Will Shi as an illusion of being there in a mediated environment. This means that you are like you went on a tourist destination, but in reality, you are not. It can be just a virtual tourism video which travels you anywhere. You can now travel or explore the world for free because of these videos posted in any social media platforms.
The growth of virtual tourism. Virtual tourism is a growing trend around the world. And this is not just a knee-jerk response to the COVID pandemic. It has actually been developing behind the scenes for some time. traditionally used predominantly as a marketing tool. Virtual tourism, also known as virtual reality tourism, has become increasingly popular amongst tourism industry stakeholders in recent times. Fueled by technological development and internet usage worldwide and closely linked with the concept of smart tourism. We now see virtual tourism activities in many parts of the travel and tourism industry.
For the growth of virtual tourism, we have first, marketing and promotion. Tourism organizations, including DMOs and tour operators, begin to turn to virtual reality as a means of promoting tourism products and services. Next is the enhancing the tourism experience. Tourist attractions begin to adopt virtual reality as a means of enhancing and supporting their current tourism products. For example, 5D theme park rides, virtual museum features. Third one is the development of virtual tourism experiences. Organizations and tourism industry stakeholders begin to develop virtual tourism experiences. These are often used as a marketing or upselling tool. For example, shortened version of tourism activities such as safari or a guided tour streamed online. Next is the physical holidays are replaced with virtual experiences. During times when people cannot physically travel, conventional holidays are replaced by virtual tourism and experiences. For example, real-time live safari streamed online, virtual tour around the museum. And last is the impossible adventures through virtual means. Tourists seek to experience the impossible through the use of virtual reality and virtual experiences. Examples: flying through the skies of your favorite city and walking to the moon.
That's all for our presentation. Thank you for watching.